Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share a report on Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Sharing a report in Salesforce can be done through several methods depending on your organization's sharing setting and who you want to share the report with. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon and click on Setup. Now, you have two options here. You can click on the Quick Find and type in Reports. That will lead you to the reports and dashboards. You can have the reporting snapshots and a lot dashboard settings. Or go to the app launcher and type in reports. And that would lead you to the dashboard wherein you have full control on how you want to share the report with. Okay, so it's a very easy thing to do because from here, now, one of the easiest way for you to share via folder permission is you might want to check the report that you want to share. In my case, this is going to be that. All right. There's going to be a drop down menu on the upper right corner. Click on it. And I want you to click the move section. Now here you need to select the folder. In this case, I'm going to put in the file here in the share report folder. And from here, all I have to do is click on select folder. All right. Now let me hover back again to the report right here. Now, once you are back on the interface, look for the folder that you have chosen earlier. This folder contains the report that I wanted to share. Now again, click on the drop-down menu and there's going to be an option that says share. I want you to click on it, and from here you can choose the users that you want to share with. And remember that these sharing settings may apply to all subfolders in this folder. If you want to share it on the public groups, you can do that. Or if you wanted to share it to certain people, just click on the users, type in the users here. You have the access level of view, edit, and manage. All right. And you can also put in manage if they want to do manage, edit, or view. You also have the option to share here. And that's that. Another option is, for example, I'm going to be working again on the report. I'm going to click on all reports and I'm going to choose the report earlier. Say, for example, this one. All right. Now, another option for you to share is click the drop down menu and there's going to be an option that says export. If you do that, you would be forwarded here in these two options. You have the formatted report. You can export the report, including the report header, groupings, and filter settings, or the details only. Once you've done that, click on export, and you would need to save this Excel format in your computer and then share it to the team collaborators, team members, your client, your boss, and anyone via the email attaching this file, or you can share it in the Google Drive or any other platform. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.